Hello my lovely people, welcome back. Today's recipe is spring roll. One of my amazing sisters decided to share this recipe with you guys. So here she's mixing everything together, and what she used is all-purpose flour, sugar, salt and water. And she's mixing it together till it will turn into a paste. She put a pan on the stove and apply a little bit of oil in it to prevent it sticking in the pan. And now she's making the spring roll wrap. She will leave it to cook for some minutes before she will remove it. Actually, the time that she was making this spring roll wrap, I was not there, I went out. And the time that I came in, she has already finished. I did not know the minute she used it to cook the dough. As you can see, she's using knife to turn it because it was very hot. And she's making the spring roll wrap very thick because she normally make spring roll in occasion, and also she normally sell it sometimes. So if she's making it, she normally use her hand, but she said this pan was so thin, that is why she was using the spoon. She make it thin one and also thick one. Yes, so she decided to do the thick one first. In our next video, she will show you guys how to make the thin wrap and thin spring roll. Yeah, so stay tuned in our next video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe to this channel for more amazing simple recipe. And sometimes some people normally use their hand to do it, but she decided to use the spoon because it's easier. Now she will leave it to cook for some time and then take it out. And also, this spring roll wrap, you can make it and wrap it in the plastic and put it in the fridge for almost 1 week or 2 days or 3 days and then use it. The reason you need to cover it with plastic is to prevent it drying out, so that anytime you are about to use it, it will still remain fresh. Here she's finished. This is how it looked. That is the time that I was back. So I decided to show you guys how the thickness look and how it is. Here's it. And she will be covering it with the plastic to prevent it drying out, and then move on with our next video, which is the filling. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for the next video.